there. So we are out on a bike packing trip. This is the first one. This is a trial one. Bike's all packed out, ready. We've just left home. We've got about 15 miles to go. Stopping along the way. Some great views and a nice secret camp. Let's go. Okay, my immediate impressions of bike packing. It's hard work. Jeez. Yeah. Okay. Right. Anyway, let's have a look. So we've got our Ortlieb panniers on. 24-hour ration pack. Selfie stick. Poles to the tent. First aid. Water. Ortlieb handlebar bag, nice little natty bag this one, put the phone in there, look, bits and pieces. That underneath, just got a tarp on for quick deployment because it's going to be raining. I've got a friend there, a few more friends. And we have gone approximately 6 miles, I suppose. Are we there yet? Yeah, I'm trying to, think what's worse, cycling, carrying it on your back. I must admit that because I'm cycling, I foolishly thought I'd just stuff a few luxuries in because you wouldn't notice it on a bike. Wrong! Okay, let's have a look what we've got in this box of goodies. So, looks like we've got energy breakfast, so that's obviously for tomorrow morning. Biscuits, there's quite a few of them in there. Look at that. We've got, now this looks like coffees, teas, should be like a sugar drink, energy drink in there mix. We've got a little stove in there, chocolate bar. What else is this? Nugget, fruit nugget, peach apricot chewy bar, some paper towels, and some kind of pate, that is. I'm not sure what that is. That looks like a pudding, caramel pudding afterwards. And then soup. So that is, let's see if I can, why am I bad my French is. Minestrone, that's easy enough. Minestrone. The isotonic sports drink, I should be having some of that now. Peach, soft, probably peach jam for the biscuits. And then main course here we have got, looks like beef, lentils, carrots, and then sausage rice kind of dish. Excellent. Right, well, I'm going to mix some drink up and have something to eat. There we go. Le bonjour. Right, I'm going to have lunch. I'm going to have this sausage, rogale, sausages or something, whatever. You get a little stove, some tablets, and a little stove to put together. So I'll work that one out and I'll be back when I've got it ready. Okay. I'm going to pop a tablet on there. There we go. Right, I'll give this old sausage meal a mix up. There's a quick look in it. I don't know whether that looks appetizing or not, but hey ho. Let's just see. Yep, that's definitely going. Right, stick that on there. Oops. Right, and wait. There we go. It tastes really nice. Right, I'm going to scoff this. This is going to go down a treat. I am Hank Marvin. Catch you later. So quite nice that was, very nice. Just had some isotonic drink. Packed it all back. It's going to go on the back of the bike for now. And stick that on the back of the bike. And off we go to the next stop, which is where I'll be getting the ionosphere out, making camp. Okay, got the snug pack up there hiding. Got a fire area. I'm going to do some cooking in a minute. Look at this. Okay, got the mesh inner. There we go. All laid out, ready. X pedal to right, 7 under there, all ready for the night, and we're all set up. So now it's time to get some food on the go. Let's have a look at what we got here. We got the gas cooker, nice lightweight one. My coffees, spoons, different things, and then obviously the kit. That's for breakfast. Tonight I'm going to be having this beef with carrot and lentil, followed by caramel pudding and maybe a few biscuits for after. Got some nice dark energy bar there, or I could have, sure, this was the, oh yeah, there's a fruit nugget as well. And some peach jam on the crackers. I'm gonna be using this little soft bag because that's full of wine. So yeah, it's hot, and these lumps of beef have been breaking down as I've been stirring them. Really soft. Lovely. It's pretty damn good. We're up. Looks like it's going to be a fabulous day. It's one of those summer mornings, fresh. Had a bit of rain, as I said, but it's making it yeah, nice and fresh this morning. Let's turn you around there. Look at that blue sky starting already. Nothing but the sounds of the birds. So I'm going to put the kettle on again, have a nice cuppa, and then start packing the bags up, and then get some breakfast going, and then head on back, the long journey back, which I'm not too bad this morning. Actually, I thought I'd be wake up like a cardboard cutout, but not too bad, so all's good. Right, I'm going to get on with the tea. Mixed muesli, energy breakfast. You can have that. And then really that just leaves a snack for lunchtime, which is going to be sandwich pate. A couple of these packs of crackers, energy bar, Another cup of coffee if I wanted one. And yeah, I think that's about it. Oh, and there we go, nugget with fruit. So let's get this coffee going. Sit in the morning sunshine. Okay, add some water in there, let it sit. Smells nice. Some water boiling in there. So let's put the lid on, save that. Ready for another cup of coffee. There we go. Right, that's me all done. It's all cleaned away. Bike's all loaded up. We're ready to go. Just got to get ourselves out of the forest through there, and that's it. It's been another good camp. So now all we've got now is miles and miles and miles of road, paths, hills, up, down. Anyway, I'll get out of here. Okay, so we finished the vlog where we started yesterday. Yes, I might have been a bit presumptuous thinking that I was fit enough to ride a bike without any training. B, to be loading it up thinking because it's not on my back it wouldn't be a problem. So those things there need to be addressed. So a bit more exercise and not get carried away by throwing tables and chairs in and all sorts of stuff. The 24-hour ration pack thing was really good. I recommend the French one. Everything was nice about that. I really enjoyed that. And it's been a bit of a learning curve, really. It's I should put up here how many miles, no, up there how many miles I've done. There's been quite a few, and it's been interesting, shall we say. So anyway, I'll leave you all now. Hope you enjoyed something different. This is what I'd like to carry on doing, and if I'm fit enough. So I'll catch up with you again on another one from Slopey and Bivy Man. Take care.